What now? Flood warning!
What flooding caused by excessive
The
rainfall
story's
is
ever changed
occurring?
history.
Where?
A portion of southeast Texas, including the following county.
Harris.
What the fuck?
When? Until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams.
FLW.
And flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to
Asshole.
excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details at 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The public reported flooding of streets in the warned area. Flooding is already occurring.
Don't know shit,
Between 2
pal.
and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh,
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include northern Missouri City, Bel Air, Humboldt, West University Place, Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Valley, Greater Heights, Spring Branch North, Memorial Park, North Side, or North Line, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area, Spring Branch West, near North Side Houston, Aldine, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Greater Greens Point and Nartown, or Munchels. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood 1 at 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon for Harris County has been replaced with a flood warning.
yep.
There is still light to moderate rainfall in the warning polygon, but rapidly rising water is no longer expected. Please use caution when traveling in the warned area. 2 p.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental. Rain and fog were reported. Temperature 75. Relative humidity 97.
Oh, flood warning.